Hey, this is Joey with Northwest Roof Maintenance. Just wanted to show you guys what a tile valley cleaning looks like. So I've got this side put back together. It was previously cleaned out. This side's still opened up. So a lot of sediment can get trapped in these. As you can see, there's teeny cracks. So pine needles, moss, and other granules get trapped in here after a period of time. When water goes to flow down, if there's too much stuff built up, it'll intrude and get into your house. So typically, we'll go through, unstack all the tiles, remove all the debris, stack the tiles back, and get all the debris off your house, clean out your gutters in the process. This is what it looks like when it's all buttoned back up.